Hello, long time no see. Excuse the glow. Just been mowing the grass and I've had a text off Lee. He's going to pop down and have a look at Agatha. I've had a problem since I came back from Gaydon. I've not done anything with the car. It sounded like a wheel bearing had gone, and we did wheel bearings on it last year. So I've jacked it up, spun them round, can't find anything, even sent Lee videos. Anyway, he's finally found some time to come and see me. He's very busy. He works for a dog's charity trust now. I might let him tell you about that when he turns up. So yeah, God knows what's going to happen in this. He's perhaps just going to diagnose that I'm dumb, or he'll find something. And we'll see how we go when he gets here. We've just been talking for ages and I hadn't even pressed start.
We are professionals, you know.
Yeah, dear me. Yeah.
Anyway, what we've been doing.
Yeah, I was just saying, so Lee is here, as I said on the intro.
Yeah.
We haven't seen each other for ages because he's been doing some dog trust work.
Yeah. Yeah, volunteering my spare time. I'm not working on cars or playing in bands. I'm looking after dogs that need rehoming.
Yeah.
And it's good fun. It's a good de-stress.
Oh, yeah.
And because we lost Toby as well, that was one of the reasons why I got involved with it. So
Yeah.
it's it's a good tonic.
Anyway, Lee's had a quick look. All the car's in the air. All the wheels are free, but I've got one back brake binding. One's a bit loose.
One's a bit loose. One's a bit bindy.
One driver's side disc is okay, just catching a little because it's been sat, I suppose.
Yeah.
But the wheel bearing on the passenger side, which is the side I thought was making a noise, you think is probably shot, even though it's a new one. But I think I paid at least £5 for it off eBay. So,
Brilliant.
no, it was more than that, but it was quite cheap.
From China?
I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, even when Lee fitted it, he did remark that it was a bit chunky and it might have bit me in the arse. So we're just going to strip it down and have a quick look. I have got a spare hub, which my mate Phil has sent me. So I don't know if we're going to get it done. Lee seems to think he's going to have a play with it, but we'll see.
I'm not playing with it.
Oh, right, cracking on. Yes, it's on.
It's on this time.
Yes.
Okay.
So
what I found when the wheel was on, it felt a little bit notchy. Now that we've not got the wheel on, obviously that's a bit more evident.
And he's pressed the pads back so they're not even touching now. So
well, the back one is, but
yeah,
it wouldn't do that. It'd be nice and yeah, it's notchy.
So you think the bearing's
I
gone?
think the bearing is knackered.
But not plain knackered, just...
No, there's no play in that.
No.
There's a tiny bit, which was in there in the design, because these have got the cone, the collar in the middle, so that you can't compress them too much.
Yeah.
That's when the old joke come from, when a wheel falls off.
A leg grows.
A leg grows.
I think it was back ones that fell off.
But no, it was because they design. These were similar to the old 1100, and they changed the design.
Yeah.
And then they reverted back to the old design with the collar in the middle.
Got you.
Yeah, that's.
So what's the plan?
So we'll get this off. Get the hub off.
All right.
Won't take long. I'm taking off the nut.
It's all right, really. To be honest, this is very similar. Well, it's exactly the same, to be honest.
Hello.
As what we did when we changed the bearing. I say we, the royal we.
The royal we.
Lee tends to just crack on because... yeah.
It says he was making me a coffee.
I've made it.
Oh, look at that.
It's there, look.
Where?
It's in my, look. It's in my Delphi mug. Stole that from Lucas's back in the day. Same as me Delphi overalls. Remember taking the piss out of my overalls. Anyway, while we're here, where's that bloody princess?
Well, it's still on the drive.
Yeah.
Waiting for me to do something with it.
I think last time we were waiting for the summer. That's nearly gone. We ain't had one though, have we, to be honest?
It was just, everything got in the way.
Yeah,
you know,
I know what you mean.
Kind of losing Toby and
Yeah,
band stuff, which I'm now no longer in. Yes. And, you know, it was a case of, right, we'll use the wobble box because we haven't really used it.
Yeah, I know that feeling, mate. Get out in the van.
Oh, the Jag needs a new headlamp. Because the adjuster's failed on it. So it's got headlamps like my eyes. In fact, that's when the headlamp does work. You have to give it a thumb.
Has it got MOT though at the minute?
Yeah, it's still got MOT. And then it got hit by a horse box. So there's a nice scratch along the door as well.
Oh, fucking hell.
So the Jag's just like, oh, whatever.
Yeah, we've fallen out of love with cars at the minute. I think the pair of us, to be honest. Anyway, I can't keep holding the phone. We must crack on. You think that's gone?
Yeah.
Damn you and your £5 eBay fines. Oh well.
Oh well. That one's, the front one's okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it does. That sounds lovely.
Yeah.
I hope that new old one doesn't sound shonky. Phil said it was a good one. Sounds better than that one.
Sounds okay. I think.
Oh. They both sound crap.
No, but this one's that's notchy.
Yeah.
You can actually hear that.
Oh well, we'll see what happens.
This one's just dry.
Oh, we've got some grease.
We got grease. Yeah, we got.
Hooray. We're not doing much filming because we've done this before. I say we, I keep saying we. But we also really do want to crack on. Anyway, the other hub is on. The noise was just, it was just dry. We have got a little issue. Whoever's took it off, Phil, I'm talking to you, has obviously hit the ball joint to break it without protecting the thread. Lee thinks you're a C-nut.
That's our favourite word, isn't it?
Yay, my day is complete, as he says.
Yeah, my day's complete.
Anyway, the old bearing carrier, and if I may get a
We can refurb that.
yeah, we may do. We may do.
We can refurb.
But apparently he's got a file, thread file,
Thread file, yeah.
and we'll get that sorted.
This is Fred file.
Hello.
Nice bloke is Fred.
Hello, Fred. Hey.
We get there eventually. We bought cheap Chinese stuff out of a lucky bag.
You say my stuff's cheap?
Well, if you Fisher Price toy set, it's a tool set, is it? To go by.
Anyway, now do you want to spin the wheel?
I will spin the wheel. Yes.
Hello. You talking to Lee? All right.
Yeah.
Oh, the dog's got a new toy.
Aww.
Anyway.
Did
So-
you record that?
Yeah, I did, but we were sort of
I'll do it again then.
yeah,
I'm turning the hub.
and it now doesn't jag and stop and
Nice and free, look.
yeah, good.
There.
So what we're gonna do?
Me.
No, I'm gonna do some of it. I'm gonna take all the wheels off. It's what time is it now? Look at that. It's 8:35.
And I'm only on my second cup of coffee.
I know. Yes.
It's a dry house, this is.
You know.
Like the kettle's broke.
Yeah, I'm going to get the whole car, all four wheels off. Spray the brake nipples, and we're going to bleed the brakes completely because the brakes are shit on this car. They always have been.
Just made this with scalding hot water. Videos are getting crap now.
Who they are? The videos are getting crap. They're full of trains. Trains and forklift trucks.
Yeah. Are you doing more trains this weekend by any chance?
Yeah, trains this weekend, yeah. You like trains? Choo choo. Anyway, he loves the Focus. Oh yeah, look. Even on his work van. And your IVs. Say tra on the video.
Ta-ra on the video.
And say...
The Focus is alright.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a bit of a shed, but yeah, it's alright.
Yeah, that's not bad.
I haven't drove it yet.
You said you'd
We'll have
rather
to-
be...
we'll have
You
to
said
do
you said you'd rather be seen dead than...
No, I'll do a wonky review on it.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Yeah.
We'll try and sort that out.
Okay.
Anyway, hang on a sec. Oh look, the sun's going down. Anyway, you can see it's quite late.
They've not had me tea, they've not fed me, not even a piece of toast, dry bread, nothing, not even a biscuit.
It makes me feel bad. We don't have, I'm on a diet. I've not got anything like that in my house.
Thanks, mate.
Heart problems.
Have I got shorter again? Is that better?
Yeah, I think so. I think it's because I've lost a bit of weight, I'm stretching.
Oh, right.
Like when I was fat, I was compressed. Anyway, as always, thanks to Lee for getting me out the shit.
No problem.
I've got to take the wheels off. We're going to bleed the brakes, but
Yeah, we'll do that.
that'll be something different. Thanks for watching. Blah, blah, blah.
See you soon.
Bye.
See you soon.
Bye.
Toodle pip. Pip toodle.